Okay, boys and girls, well, we're ready for the soldering operation. Dun, da, da, da. We've got our good old Radio Shack rosin soldering paste flux. Try to see if you could buy that now. They're gone. Hey, I gotta look for that, see if somebody's got it. Now, see, I had to put that on. Might as well zoom in. What's the point of having a zoom if you don't zoom? Let's get it centered, or at least clearly in the picture. All right, that's gonna have to do. And now I've got the, I gotta get the solder on. This is lead-free solder. It doesn't mean the metal here is good to breathe either. So just remember that. But the key is quick. Now this soldering gun by Weller, this has got two temperatures. This is rosin core. You know, I'm gonna put I forgot. I gotta put a little rosin on the tip. Just a little. I'm not doing it off camera for any special reason, just. Okay, it's got a little on the tip. Yeah, see that? That's good. Because you want this to flow. Wow. Okay, going to open the window. Be right back.